guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm just moving my hairspray out of the way. I'm in my bedroom at my dressing table. I just wanted to show you guys a tutorial of how I do my hair. So I've got several tutorials on my channel doing this hairstyle pretty much at varying lengths, in varying length of hair, in varying different shades of hair, but it's probably one of the most requests that I get on Instagram. If you don't follow me at sophie milner _FS. So yeah, I just figured I would do it again. And also there are two kind of ways that I do it. It's essentially the exact same technique but slightly different styling tools. So this one is with the Babyliss Boutique wand. They've changed the name of it, that's not what it's called anymore. It's called the Babyliss Soft Waves WAnd. And I originally had this wand for 7 years, and then recently it broke, so I replaced it. But it's like, that's just testimony. It costs like not very much money and has lasted for years. So this one is amazing for hair this length. I find that when my hair is a little bit shorter, it doesn't hold the curl very well at all, and it doesn't quite, I usually need like a bit of a thinner barrel, but this one is great for longer hair, and I absolutely love it. It gives this really gorgeous sort of kind of Victoria's Secret-esque waves, which I absolutely love. It's kind of like, well, it is my go-to look. I very rarely have my hair any other way. The other video I'm going to do is going to be more of a slightly beachier wave, and it will probably end up looking exactly the same. So yeah, but it's using a different slightly thinner wand. So if you want to see that one, make sure you stay tuned for that one. These curls, they do tend to drop a little bit, but to give a little bit of background information, because I often get people be like, oh, how do you make your curls stay? I do have a few hair extensions in. I've got probably like maybe 8 to 10 tape extensions in, and extensions in general, they hold the curl very, very well. So I find that even though my own hair might drop out a little bit, the extensions always hold it. So that's probably, I just wanted to use it as a disclaimer because I just thought I'd want to be honest with it. In terms of products, I really need to invest in a decent heat protector. I kind of just use whatever I have around. I also use Elnet as my hairspray. I love it, it's my fave. Really, really nice, and I do find that spraying a load on does help. I'm going to show you how I do this hair again, and hopefully put this in a really easy place for you guys to find, because it's something I get asked a lot. And if you want to see my beachy wave one, make sure you come back in a few days for that. Thanks, bye. I'm going to be doing my beachy waves video in a few days time, providing it actually looks different to how my hair does now. If it doesn't, then probably won't post it. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope it's been useful. Like I said, this is probably, if I had to pick a tool to use forever on my hair, it would be this one. It literally lasts forever and it's so good. So anyway, thank you again for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at sophie milner _FS, and I'll be back very soon.
Waste all your breath,